Good morning, everybody. I wanted to express my compliments to the Japan colleague for his business because it's incredible. I haven't seen something like that. I am Adriana Palmitesta, co-founder of Newtra Food, and I'm very pleased to be here today. Do you know what happens along the Italian food supply chain? Well, every year, 3.6 million tons of food is lost. 500 million liters of water is lost. And what's more, there is a surplus of CO2 emitted equals to 10 million tons. This means a waste of resources, high cost of disposal for the agri-food companies, which is valued from 100 to 150 euro per ton, and of course a negative environmental impact. So besides, we also have to consider the agri-food companies' needs, which are to improve the preservation of food, to reduce the cost of raw materials, and of course to innovate and respond to the new market trends. Indeed, research made by Nielsen has shown that more and more consumers read the list of ingredients before buying products. They are more aware and seek more sustainable, natural products, and there's an increasing demand of plant-based food and drinks. So how does Newtra Food, our startup, fit into this context? We, from fruit and vegetable waste and byproducts, we produce 100% natural and nutraceutical super ingredients suitable for the production of functional food and drinks. So how does it work? We collect fruit and vegetable from our partner companies specialized in processing and packaging on fruit and vegetables. And we valorize them through our patented production process up to create our output, our super ingredients. So our production process is based on a cryogenic technology, which allows us to preserve 100% of the starting nutritional values of the plants, such as fibers, protein, vitamins, antioxidants, without creating further waste, and that's important for us. From our process, we can obtain two types of outputs, a freeze-dried ingredient and a frozen one, which are both suitable for different production needs. The most important feature is that our ingredients help our customers to improve the product performances in terms of aroma, shelf life, and nutraceutical benefits. So thanks to our production process, our researchers made some samples of super ingredients using tomato peels and seeds. Then they used the output obtained, this lyophilized tomatoes to create some final products, such as fresh pasta and bread. What's more, analyzing the output obtained, we found higher levels of vitamin vitamins, lycopene, fibers, potassium, iron in higher levels than the starting fresh tomatoes. But the tomato is not only the only ingredient we can process thanks to our cryogenic technology. Indeed, artichokes, asparagus, basil, broccoli, and citrus fruit scraps are further ingredients that we obtained thanks to our technology and laboratory tests. This is a matrix that easily sums up the benefits that our process can preserve. Our market is represented by the functional ingredients that last year in 2020 recorded a global turnover of about $60 billion, of which about 42% was represented by the food and beverage demand. At a European level, the food and beverage purchase was about $6.5 billion with a growth rate of 6.5% in the next 5 years. So our target market is currently represented by the Italian food and beverage companies. Indeed, our super ingredients are suitable to be used for the production of all food and beverage, such as bread, sweet and savory snacks, bars, candies, pasta, sauces, flavorings, biscuits, and other breakfast items, drinks of all types, plant-based food and drinks, and flowers as well. So to approach our potential customers, we are arranging some pilot projects with some partner companies. We think that these activities are essential to not only to further test the effectiveness of our ingredients, but also to gain the trust of our potential customers. So why is Newtra Food different from its competitors? Because we offer in one ingredient a wide range of features that our potential customers cannot buy at the moment on the market, with important features including the vegetable benefits, circular economy, and cost saving. Currently, we are in a laboratory production scale phase, but our aim is to implement a small production plant by 2022. The next steps will be the participation into international fairs, such as Cibus and Food Ingredients Europe, that next year will be held in Paris. And of course, the acquisition of the first European customers. But the food and beverage market is only our starting point, as our aim is to develop new applications of our technology and extend our market to pet food and nutraceutical. Finally, let me introduce our team, which is composed by Maurizio, our founder, who is not here at the moment, our co-founder, Ivan and Adriana, and the scientific members, Barbara and Maria Cinzia. Thank you for your attention.